I bought this a couple days ago. I want to say it's been a week now. And this little thing packs a mighty punch, okay? It works well for what it was made to do. However, I'm a little upset right now because it hasn't even been that long that I've had it. And it's already starting to show signs of it's not working, okay? And it's freaking cold up in here. So if the seller can please explain to me why this thing keeps turning off by itself. Now, from my understanding, because it's not like I didn't read, it has a safety feature, okay, in case it overheats. And also if it tips over. I get it. But I have not had it on enough to where it should be overheating. Okay, nor high enough to where it should be overheating. So why does it keep turning off by itself? Now, let me just show you. It is plugged in. Don't come from my carpet. Don't come from my carpet. I am a freelance makeup artist. Do not come from my carpet. It is plugged in. Okay, you see it, right? Let's see, because I did this twice before because I tried to upload this freaking video twice now and it did not turn on. Let's see if it turns on now. So basically, I'm going to go. Okay, so that's turning on now. Now it's turning on. But I promise you that it wasn't turning off or turning on before.
Here's the cute little heater. It works really well. Very, very nice and hot. Don't touch that like I just did because that actually burns. And when you lift it up, obviously you can see that it says power. Obviously everything's on, but if you lift it up, the power light shuts off because of the little sensor in the bottom. So cool. You got the max and the min, obviously on both sides. Works really well. And like, it does pretty good for this big ass room. So, big room, it does really, really well for such a small thing in this big room. Though it doesn't make it obviously hot in here, it does make it at least warm in here.
This is a great little product. I have it in my RV, and actually I'm going to have to turn it down a little bit now that it's not snowing, because it is 70 degrees in here. It doesn't need to be that warm. I would definitely recommend this. I have 3 of them. One here in my RV, one in my bed.
Okay, I'm gonna review the heater I bought from Amazon. It's so nice and produces so much heat. This is a 1500 watt electric heater, and when it tilts, it shuts off automatically, which is super nice. And it has different settings, and it really does get super, super hot, which I absolutely love. And it's minimal volume, so it's not very loud. I have it under.
All right, this is a great little heater. It's only about, I don't know, 9 or 10 inches tall. It's great. It works perfect. If you just want the fan to just blow cold air or cool air, you can turn the fan on. It does have a tipping mechanism to where if it tips, it turns off, which I like. It's relatively.
Nice little heater. I just barely plugged it in. It's already pretty warm. Safe. It's like not going to start a fire or anything. Good size. Fits on my nightstand. Has some controls. Different settings.
So the only way it works now is if I hold this switch down. It's not even a little pressure, as you can see. Just pushing it with fingers isn't enough either.